How to repair separated rubber fabric on Airsled air beams. Rubber fabric on air beams that has separated can be easily repaired with very basic items. You will need rubbing alcohol and clean rag, a strong, flexible adhesive, binder clips, toothpicks, and a weight. First, clean the area with rubbing alcohol using a vigorous action to remove as much glue residue as possible. Once the area is dry, generously apply glue on the rubber fabric and use a toothpick to spread the glue into the crevices for maximum coverage. Use the binder clips to clamp the rubber surfaces together at the rubber fabric's edges to create a seal. Apply a weight directly onto the rubber fabric to promote the adhesion process and let the glue cure for 24 hours. After the 24-hour period, you can remove the weight and binder clips and your rubber fabric will be fully bonded. You can confirm a tight and restored seal by connecting the blower and forcing air into the air beam. Learn more at airsled.com.